Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really exciting video because I'm going to be doing a full face of Colourpop, and this is the first time I do like a full face of anything. And it's not just going to be like a full face using the products, it's also kind of going to be like a first impressions. There's a lot of stuff in here that I haven't tried and that I'm really excited to try. Specifically, they're a new foundation, so I'm going to be testing that out in this video, and a lot of other products too as well. Yeah, I'm just going to be doing a full face of Colourpop and testing out some new products as well and giving you guys my honest opinions. So if you want to see what look I come up with using all Colourpop products and my opinions on some of these products as well, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I already prepped my skin. I just have to prime it, and I'm going to use this Amethyst Crystal Priming Spray from Colourpop. I already prepped my skin though, so it looks pretty smooth and dewy already, but just for that extra hydration. So I have the Colourpop brow pencil in Bangin Brunette. I purchased this when I had my light brown hair, so this is really brown. Not sure if this is gonna work, but honestly I don't need to do that much to my brows because I got them done last week. They look pretty good, if I might say so myself. Wait, that looks pretty good. It's just a little light. It's not that light actually. Wow, that looks good. Is today gonna be a good makeup day? I hope. And I literally did that in 2 minutes. Wow. Okay, so I think I'm good with the brows. They honestly don't look as light as I thought they were gonna be. It doesn't look that bad. It still goes with my hair. What is on my face? Okay, so the brows are done. I am going to go in with the Perception palette by Shayla. Let's see. I'm gonna go in with Culture. Excuse the pink on my brush. I have to clean my brushes. But I'm just going to pat that onto my lid. And then buff it out. I'm going to use a tiny bit of Revenge on the outer edge of my eye. Taking the tiniest amount of played out, really little, I don't want it to be really dark. I just want to deepen it up a bit. I'm going to repeat those steps on the other eye now. Okay, so this is what the eyes look like right now. I'm going to go in with this Super Shock shadow. This is in So Quiche, I don't know. And I'm literally just using my finger to apply this. I feel like the finger gives the best results. And I didn't want it to be too precise, so I'm not cutting the crease or anything. I love that. That looks really good. It looks really good, and it was like super simple. Like I used like 2-3 shadows and then just dabbed that on my eyes. It was like less than 5 minutes. So I'm gonna take a little bit more of Revenge and Played Out just to put it on the outer edge and blend it in towards the eye so it looks a little bit more smooth. Then I'm just gonna mix a little bit of Unbothered and TF, whatever you want to say. Oh. Wow. I don't know if the gold goes with the eye look, but I'm kind of digging that in the inner corner. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit of Unbothered on the brow bone. Going in with the Colourpop Brow Boss Gel. This is one of my favorite brow gels of all time. And just setting the brows with this. Alright, so here comes the really exciting part. We are going to test out the foundation now. I'm going to use a brush for one side of my face and a beauty blender or a beauty sponge for the other side, just to see which one works better. I think I did a pretty decent job with the shade too, because I was not sure what shade to get. That's one thing I hate about ordering online is like, I don't know what shade I am, you know? So I'm gonna do this side with a beauty sponge. This is just my sponge from Morphe. And I'm just pouncing that into the skin. So this is one layer with the sponge, and then I don't have any on this side yet. So now I'm gonna go in with the brush on this side. I'm just going to go in with a second layer to see how it layers. This side is with the Beauty Blender, and this is the brush. I've already used this concealer before, but I just never had the right shade. I had concealer way too light. So I'm excited to see how this one works. Okay, so I'm really excited to try this powder. I really hope it works well. I'm just gonna dust all that powder off. Okay, so I'm gonna be testing out this bronzer. It looks like a really nice shade for my skin tone. I'm gonna use this for highlighting. I think it's called Hair Kitty. I've already used it before, as you can tell. Using that powder to make it more like cut and precise. Okay, so while that's sitting, I'm gonna try out this Super Shock Cheek Matte Blush. And this is a really bright one, but I feel like it'll go with the look, and it was different than what I usually wear, so I wanted to try this out. And this is Holiday. I don't know how pigmented this is going to be, so I'm a little scared. Well, that's so pretty. I'm gonna start doing the lower lash line. Okay, so I did the lower lash line. I just used the same shadows that I use in my crease. So now I'm going to dust this powder away. I'm going to line my lips with this BFF lippie pencil. I might just leave it like this. I was gonna put a gloss over it, but I really like how this color looks with the eyes. I'm just going to add mascara now. They don't have any mascara, so I'm just going to use my own. What do you guys think? I'm gonna smile because this is the last time that I'm probably gonna show my teeth, since I'm getting my braces after this. Honestly, the face looks really good. Like, it looks really smooth and there's a pretty decent coverage. I would say it's pretty medium. The only thing I would say is when using a brush with the foundation, I feel like it does show a bit more texture. I don't know if I just have like more pimples on this side, but you could see like little zits kind of peeking through, if that makes sense. And you don't see that on this side. It looks pretty decent. It's not like flawless, but I mean, this side looks really good. I really love how this look turned out. Like, I didn't think I was gonna like it this much. Like, I don't know. I knew I was gonna do something cute, but I didn't think it was gonna turn out this bomb. She feeling herself. Okay, so this is the completed look using a full face of Colourpop products. I really love Colourpop so much, so I was really excited to film this video, and I really loved how it turned out. I loved almost all of the products. I'm still not sure about the foundation, and I think I'm going to use it a little bit more to see how it wears and test it out using other products with it. So I'm not sure about the foundation yet, but everything else I'm completely obsessed with. So if you like this video of me using a full face of Colourpop, or you want to see me using a full face of a different brand, then please let me know and give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe if you aren't already so you don't miss out on my next videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.